I think in terms of a significant change that we need in the education system around creating an entrepreneurial culture is a move away from the trap that we've got caught in thinking about technology transfer as being entrepreneurship. Science and the development of science and technology is absolutely fundamental to any economy that wants to go up the value chain and claim to be innovative. But in of itself, it's not enough. We have to make sure that in all of our education systems that we recognise how that technology gets transferred into the marketplace, because technology without a marketplace is just a cost. Now, it's not the job of the universities or the technology offices to develop all of the country's companies. I don't think our technology offices are going to be able to deliver on the promise that some people have made them give. What we need to do is we need to find ways of connecting the technology people in the universities, those scientists, with industry, so that between them they can find the opportunities. And it's not about asking the universities to create entrepreneurs or about asking the entrepreneurs necessarily just to move into the universities and take those technologies, but about finding a way of building a culture of entrepreneurship that allows scientists to engage in business people, and out of a contrarian process over time, opportunities will emerge. But the single biggest thing I'll come back to again that I think needs to change is we need to stop simply equating technology transfer with entrepreneurship. It's much more than that. Education plays a hugely significant role in rebuilding the economy, and it's a focus around creating value. Often entrepreneurship gets confused with just thinking about the business aspect of it, but it's both societal value and economic value. And I think education, by engaging students and thinking about how they make it a better country, actually encourage them to think about that value creating proposition. And once we have students thinking about that, I think we'll have a better country at the end of the day. Entrepreneurship has to be seen in a role of creating value for society and the country. So if we start with the proposition that we all want a better society, we can see entrepreneurship as a way of developing that, and education sits behind that, playing a very important role, helping people not just to be better business people at the end of the day, but also to be better and more active citizens. Education and entrepreneurship can't just be about developing entrepreneurs to go and set up businesses. We need value creation at all levels of society, and everybody in organisations needs to have that entrepreneurial mindset. And really all an entrepreneurial mindset is about is a passion for identifying opportunities where we can create value for society or value for the economy. And education has to play a vital role across all of its aspects. So it's not just about business studies in schools or business schools in universities, but all aspects of the secondary and third level system, talking to students and engaging them in that mindset development that says if there are opportunities out there which create value for society, somebody should go and do something about it, and that person should be you.